I'm going to be showing you how to fix Discord not downloading on iPhone. So if Discord isn't downloading on your iPhone, it's usually caused by network issues, storage problems, or App Store glitches. So here's what you can do. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your internet connection is working. Just try opening a web page to confirm the network still works. You can also go to your settings. As you can see, it's right there. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you just need to scroll down until you find General, which is right there. Let's go ahead and tap here and tap on iPhone storage, and make sure that you have enough free space, which is at least 200 or 300 MB for Discord. You can try deleting unnecessary apps, photos, or videos if your storage is low, and you can just do that. We can also try restarting the App Store. Sometimes there might be a problem with the App Store, which could be causing it not to download. You can also try restoring your iPhone. Just restart it by holding the power button plus volume button, and you can just turn your iPhone back on and try downloading Discord again. Make sure that you're up to date with the iOS, and that's all you really need to do. That's how you fix Discord not downloading on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.